The conversation concerning the need for reforms in our education institutions to raise standards appears to be getting attention. The Council of Legal Education has suspended the admission of students into the faculties of law of 9 universities across the country that willfully admitted and graduated students before obtaining the accreditation of the council. According to the council, 50 students per academic session was approved quota for new faculties of law to the Nigerian Law School, but it is observed that some universities have graduated students in violation of the policy and several others that prompted this significant decision. In addition to the suspension of the admissions, Lead City University Ibadan has been placed under a 5-year moratorium due to the inadequate infrastructure and repeated violations of admission quota. But the council pledged to accommodate more than 1,000 students unlawfully admitted by the university within the available space. Now, CK, we are pressed for time, but on what grounds will these affected schools admit and also graduate students before obtaining accreditation accreditation of the Council of Legal Education? Is that not fraudulent?
To a large extent, it is. I remember vividly that sometime last year, when the issue of Base University came up and they were suspended, Ida and I were on this seat together, on this platform to discuss the issue. And some of the issue we raised on that program is that the Council of Legal Education should investigate more other universities that are doing this, because it became very, very embarrassing what is going on in most of these institutions, especially the private universities, who have decided to see law as a cash cow for the universities, for them. Because you see some of these schools charging as much as 3 million, 4 million naira per session.
And they've not been accredited.
Some have not been accredited. Some people exceed their quota. The problem is most of them exceed their quota. Yes. By the last count, based on this, 9 universities we are named for even accreditation. We are talking of. It's better we cut them out, because so as a deterrent to others. There is Nigerian Police Academy, and you ask Nigerian Police,
Fountain
University, Redeemers University, Taraba State University,
Western University,
Quota State University, Bingham University, Crescent University, Tansin University. And they also said they're going to investigate Veritas University.
You are not mentioning their town.
Yes, Umuyi Anambra. Crescent is in Abeokuta. Bingham is in Karu, Nasarawa State. So these are just a few out of, because it's very, 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 very annoying.
So there could be more that they investigate.
Yes, of course.
There could be more.
Of course. And that is why I have to commend the new chairman of the Council of Legal Education, Chief Emeka Ngige.
And it must have come under tremendous.
It must have come under serious measures. Yes, before they've taken this kind of decision. Yes, and that is what.
Look at when that of Base happened.
Yes,
the owner of Base University started saying, "Oh, it is a political decision." You
of
knew in your heart that you had done something wrong, but you are already politicizing it.
Okay.
So look at Leeds now. The 1,000 students, they will accommodate them. They will take them 50 per year. But what they are saying now is that until they cleared the training of those students, Leeds must not admit people for law program. Now, just as I said, because it's a lot of money, you are admitting more than you can take. You are biting more than you can chew, just because of the money that you want to make. Right. This is what they've reduced education to in our country. And it's terrible.
We are pressed for time.
I pity a lot of these students that have graduated,
exactly,
but they cannot even go to the law school.
Exactly.
Which is not
ruining their lives.
It's supposed to be the ultimate for them.
He is a victim himself.
That's not supposed to be the ultimate.
He's a victim with that's a shining hair. He's a victim.
Why the shining hair? Why put the shining hair?
No. I think, gentlemen, I think there are lessons here for students who want to go into school, for students to. Parents also do their due diligence.
No, the parents, let me tell you. Let me tell you. The
just in 20 seconds.
Yes, the basic thing is that because of the rot within our education system, parents are so desperate. That is the issue.
The desperation
on the part of parents.
Schools,
and the schools,
more
admit more than. You have a quota for 50 and you are admitting close to 200 people.
That is
That's criminal.
That's
And they
it is criminal. They should jail them.
Yeah, that's
should
where
jail
I think the
Apart-
NUC needs to come in here and also, apart from suspending or naming and shaming this school.
I think the mechanism of the Council of Legal Education and the Nigerian Law School should be much out on issues like
They
this.
must find a way to stop it so that it doesn't happen again.
And I need to commend the Director General of the Nigerian Law School because in the past some mothers will just sweep away and
But at least they agree.
Yes, they agree.
All right,
and
thank you
they're
very
doing the
much,
right thing.
gentlemen.
As
Thank
far
you
as
so
this issue
much.
is
Thank you
concerned.
so much, gentlemen. Chris Kane, thank you very much.
You don't put the shiny head.
I wouldn't do that. The veteran, thank you for having this conversation. And that's it on Journalist Hangout.